Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to use PayPal safely and effectively for Black Friday shopping. First, make sure your PayPal account is verified and linked to your preferred payment method, either a debit card, credit card, or bank account. Before Black Friday arrives, log in and check your balance to ensure everything's ready for quick checkout. When shopping online, look for stores that accept PayPal. It's usually displayed at checkout. Using PayPal adds an extra layer of protection because your card details stay private, and you get purchase protection if something goes wrong with your order. During Black Friday, PayPal sometimes partners with retailers to offer exclusive cashback or discount codes, so keep an eye on their promotions page. For extra security, enable two-factor authentication in your PayPal settings. And finally, always double-check the site's URL before entering your details. Fake shopping sites pop up during sales. With PayPal, you can shop faster, safer, and take advantage of special deals all season long. Subscribe the channel for more videos.